How to fix Virgin Money UK app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Virgin Money and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now scroll all the way down and find the app Virgin Money. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload App. Click on Offload App. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall App. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards Solution 3, completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete App. Click on Delete App. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store, search for the app Virgin Money. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So, this is how you can easily fix Virgin Money UK app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.